Car Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned. Features also include blind spot monitor, hands-free Bluetooth integration, steering wheel controls, third row seating, parking sensors. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Sorento. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season, tires rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control.
A certified pre-owned Kia is confidence and reliability for the road. With a fantastic warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection, you can have total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Kia Certified program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.